Hey, what's going on today, guys? I am back with another video, and I'm going to be unboxing a 7-Eleven fidget spinner. First, before that starts, I'm going to show you my fidget spinner collection. So this one I actually got yesterday. It was from 7-Eleven. A lot of 7-Elevens by me have fidget spinners. So that is where I got every single one of my fidget spinners. My green fidget spinner, I got that from 7-Eleven. And my white fidget spinner, got that from 7-Eleven also. Yeah, 7-Eleven also. So those so far are my fidget spinners. My brother has a yellow one, me and him switched caps. And now I'm gonna add this one. So when you first look at it, you see it's glow in the dark, and I picked the orange one out. So I'm gonna open it. I can get it out. It comes out on a tray. Where's the other bearing piece? The rubber part. Well, from first spins, it's really loud. You can hear it. Where'd the bearing piece go? Well, I'm going to return this. That's official. Because there's no bearing piece with it. That's ridiculous. It should not happen. But I want to see, do these bearings come out? Nope. Okay. So we're going to shut the door. And I'm going to turn off this little light. Okay. You can kind of see it. Looks white. Yeah, you can not see anything else in my bathroom. But, oh, my deodorant's right there. So, yeah, spin test. Just spin it, see if it spins in the dark. Yep. You can see in here. Let's see. Man, that hurts it. I hate taking these out. Yeah, guys, I cannot get that open. But you guys just can see. I think it's the same bearing as this. Inside there. Spins pretty good. I'm going to get my phone, and we're going to see how long it will spin for. So I'm going to put this in time-lapse mode in 3, once it starts spinning. So, ready? Guys, I'm actually going to hold it in my hand while I do it. Start. And stop. 47 seconds. That's horrible. These can spin for like 3 minutes. So yeah. Don't think that's the best, but it feels pretty smooth. Kinda loud. Here. Oops, just hit the camera. Here. Yeah, it makes a noise. So that was the fidget spinner unboxing. Please comment down below if you want me to do more fidget spinners. I just wanted to test this video out, see how it would do, see if you guys like it. So please comment down below if you guys want me to do more fidget spinner videos. So with that, I'm out. Peace. Psh.